easy as you like, really, for the referee. Left with no doubt. And what a chance this could be now for Punjab.
Well, Carroll was enticed when the ball came to Dodum. That's all about Sahil's timing of the pass. He waited, and Dodum just made the perfect run. And he was really helped out there by Singh as well on the right-hand side of the pitch, who made a flurrying run to take away a couple of defenders, which just allowed Dodum to pull into the space. But brilliant flick on.
Well, Punjab, who fell behind twice to Villa on the opening day, have a chance to go ahead on the final day, and they take that chance. A fantastic finish from the penalty spot, and it's the side from India who take the lead.
Yeah, brilliant penalty from Kipchin. Got a goal yesterday, and he scored as well in the penalty shootout, which his side won, and he showed exactly the type of finesse that was needed in that situation. He scored with cuteness, he scored now with power in this competition, and I'm sure he's over the moon to have put his side up in a semi-final of such magnitude. And they